There are more than 200 countries in our world. Many countries are surrounded by the sea by affairs. But there are many countries in the world whose borders meet one or more countries. There is a lot of weird borders in the world. Some borders are very dangerous. And there is something about which I will laugh. You guys will be surprised to hear about these borders in this video. Number 10, Spain-Morocco border. There is a small town in Spain called Ceuta. The city is surrounded by Morocco. Morocco has its right in the city. That is why Spain has put up a 10-foot long wall. Then also most people try to come to Spain by crossing these boundary. And many people are also badly injured when crossing it. It is the only country in between an African country and a European country. Number 9, Baarle-Nassau or Baarle-Hertog. Baarle-Nassau is in the Netherlands. Its border corresponds to Baarle-Hertog, which is in Belgium. That is the very strange border between Belgium and Netherlands. Some of the house comes in the Belgium and some in Netherlands. This restaurant is half in the Netherlands and half in Belgium. Number 8, Bir Tawil, Africa. It is a part of the land that is not part of any country. This area is very big. You can go to this area and make your country. Jerry is an American holder. He has visited this place and made it his own country. In 2011, a man has gone there and put his flag on it. Number 7, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is not only the tallest in the world but also the tallest border in the world. The border of Nepal and China passes through the center and it is part of China and Nepal. Number 6, Derby Line, Vermont. This is one of the weirdest border in the world. The Derby Line is located in both Canada and the United States. Even to this place, people make their food in America and eat in Canada. This is where a theater is built in the center of border. This building has two addresses, one for the United States and one for Canada. Number 5, the Korean Demilitarized Zone. This zone of Korea is on the striped ground, which is 260 kilometers long. This is the region that separates South Korea and North Korea. It is the most militarized area in the world. To date, no one has visited this area. It is not like normal border because both of them is still at war. It is considered as one of the most dangerous borders in the world. Number 4, Tumen River. Tumen River is made in Asia. It is also the most wonderful border in the world. If you cross this river, you will start walking from Korea and after about 800 meters you will pass through China. And then you will get to Russia. But this country is very destructive. No one in the world will ever try to do this. Number 3, the Diomedes. Diomedes has two islands. One of them is small island and other one is big. Small Island is a city in the United States with a population of 119. And the second island is occupied by Russia with a population of 135. They separate Russia and America. They also have different time zones. Number 2, the Four Corner Monument. By the way, this border is not international. This is a very strange border. It is present in the United States. And this is the place in America where its 4 states meet. If you are in this place, you will move to another state with only one step. Number 1, the Indo-Pak border. This border is 2,240 kilometers long. One of the world's most international borders. It is the only border in the world that is also visible from space at night due to the 150,000 flood lights. It is the world's most dangerous border crossing through the Kia-China Glacier. And it also goes through a desert. It is the most unique border in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe.